Point class. Welcome to e-learning classes of Christ Convent School. Right. Today I am going to teach Prose chapter 3. A topic is Gopal and the Hills of Fish. It's a beautiful story. Listen carefully. Dear students, some main characters are here. First one is Gopal. He is a courtier, one of the minister. Gopal's wife, the king, and courtier. Courtier means a minister. So not only this much of people, one more character is there, one more character is there, that is one fish. The fish name is Hilsa. It was the season of Hilsa fish. The one of the occasion, that's a season of the Hilsa fish. The fishermen catch a lot of Hilsa. That day only they are catching the Hilsa fish only. So fishmongers sold the Hilsa. Everywhere they are telling that selling the Hilsa fish only. Come and pay, it's a low price. Come and take the Hilsa. They are fishmongers are shouting. Every fishmongers have the Hilsa fish because that's the season of Hilsa fish. So householders could talk nothing but the Hilsa fish. They are simply talking about the Hilsa because that everyone, that whole king, the whole village are talking about the Hilsa fish only. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You would not believe it if I told you. Because that's many of them have the Hilsa fish. It's cheap and best. They are buy it cheap and best. It's not good, not saying too much. It's nothing is that Hilsa, but everyone talking about the Hilsa fish only. That one day, the minister, the courtiers are assembled the court. Court means the kingdom. Assembled the court. The courtiers are discuss about the Hilsa. They are talking about the Hilsa when the king was entered the court. That time one courtier come forward and talking to the king. Your Majesty, do you know that everywhere they are the courtier talking about the Hilsa towards the king? Your Majesty, you know that Hilsa fish, and they are selling that cheap and best. He is talking, telling to the king. So immediately the king was lose his temper and shout the courtier. Are you mad? You are a fishmonger or the courtier? Are you fishmonger or courtier? You are talking about the Hilsa. This is the fish market. Are you crazy? You stupid? That type of you are shouting because that's the court. That's our king is there. They are talking about the fish, Hilsa fish. That's why the king was lose his temper and shout the court. Finally, within 2 or 3 minutes later, the king was realized his mistake. Why I am shouting? And he is feel guilty. Who feel guilty? The king was feel guilty and say sorry. Sorry, the courtier. I am very sorry because I am lose my temper. Reason is everywhere, every corner, even our kingdom also, all are talking about the Hilsa fish only. That's why I am lose my temper. I am shouting to you. So extremely, I am sorry. Then he's want to someone. He need one volunteer come forward and stop talking about the Hilsa fish. So he is telling not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about the Hilsa fish. Not even for a minute time, only just for 5 minutes. If anyone can, you stop that talking about the Hilsa fish. So the king called the Gopal just for 5 minutes. If you can, you stop that nuisance talking about the Hilsa. Nobody talking about the Hilsa just for 5 minutes. If you can, who's asking? The king was asking to the Kobal. Kobal thinking himself and simply he said, yeah, I can. I will do it. Within 5 minutes, I will do for you. No one talking about the Hilsa fish. But the king ordered him and give one challenge. Now, from here you go to that market, directly go to the market and buy one Hilsa, huge Hilsa fish and take with you towards the palace. But no one talk about the Hilsa. Now the situation, all are talking about the Hilsa fish. So the king give the task, you go and buy one Hilsa and come towards the palace, but nobody talking about the Hilsa fish. Kobal simply said, I accept the challenge, my majesty. Majesty means the king. I accept it. I am going to buy the Hilsa fish, but no one talk about the single word about it. No one cannot open his mouth about not talking a single word about the Hilsa fish. Kobal also accept it and Kobal leave from the court. He's get the permission and leave from the court. Directly he went his house. So few days later, not few days, few or 3 days later, the Kobal dressed up himself. He removed his cloth and wore the dress up. Dress up means changing the cloth. He is wearing torn clothes and is doing shave, but he is not shave his full face. He shave only the half face only. Here he was shaving. Then he takes some of ashes. Who's taking? Kobal take, because Kobal accepting the challenge. For 5 minutes no one talk about the Hilsa fish. So he done himself. He half shave, shaving his face only half, not full face, only half face, and wear the torn clothes. That time his wife, Kobal wife, watching him and asking to the Kobal, what you are doing? Where you are going? Why you are doing this type of nonsense? Simply Kobal replied, I'm going to pay one Hilsa fish. Are you mad? Said Kobal wife. I think you've done mad. You become a mad. You want me fish means you are going to the normal cloth and buy it. Why you are wearing that torn cloths and half shave? After he take one handful of acid and smearing. Smearing means applying full faces. It's look like a mad. It's look like a one different man, like a psycho. We are called the mentals, na? Some different type of persons we called a mental. So the same thing, Kobal wife said, you are mad. You become a mad. Don't do that. If you are going the same costume, people are thinking really you are a mental, you are a mad person. Kobal shouted. Kobal shouted his wife, shut your mouth. How many times I am told you? I'm going to buy a Hilsa fish. Don't open his mouth. Who's shouting? Kobal shouting his wife after he is leave from his house. That time also his wife warned him, but he is not saying the truth. What matter? I'm going to buying the Hilsa fish. He simply leave from the place and reach the market. He buy one huge fish. While he is walking towards to the palace, that time one small children go with his mother. He is look at him, look at the Kobal, and tell his mother, "Mom, look at him. He's a crazy. Crazy means crazy. Also one of the mad person. He is a crazy." Then some of the other neighbors are telling he is mad, but he didn't recognize. He is not recognized that is the Gopal. They are telling this much only. One small boy telling, "Mother, he is a crazy man." Some of them tell him he must be a madman. He is a mad man. Finally, the Kobal reached the palace. There, to he reached that palace. There, two men are there. He is asking, what do you want? He said, "I want to see the king. I want to see the king." But that the watchman, like a bodyguard, they are not allowed him. They are not ready to allow the inside of the court, because he is look like a full mental. He is look like a madman. They are not allowed him. At the moment, Kobal began to dance and sing loudly. He start to the singing and dance loudly. "I want to see the king. I want to see the king," and say something and dancing in front of the palace. So king was hear the sound. Who is that? Who is this? The man is crazy. Take him inside. Who's our? The king was ordered the worker, one of the worker. So then finally that man went out and take with him inside in front of the king. And then the king asked him, "What do you want? Why you want to meet? Why are you want to meet me? For what purpose want to meet me?" Then the king also not identify who is he. Then Kobal explain everything. Then other courtiers are identify it. Yeah, it's a Kobal. It's a Kobal. Then the king was laughing. King was laughing. "All right, Kobal, out with it. You are a very intelligent." Now Kobal explained everything. "My Majesty, what told me before, no one talking about the hills of fish at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes. But that more than 2 or 3 hours, no one talking about the hills of fish, even you also." Then he is remember it. Yeah, I forgot it. So he is congrat and appreciate that. Kobal, you are a intelligent, you are a smart man also. You done your job nicely. Then that king was award him and appreciate him. So this is the story. I hope you all are understand this story. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. God bless you.